Welcome to August 12th video newsletter. Looking at the SPY today, we can see that this uptrend has been broken actually yesterday, and the 8 moving average as well has been broken. Now we'll see if this area right here around 97 on the SPY will act as support going on down. That's the probably like the next stop if you want. And also, as I mentioned yesterday, we're getting into a slow season. For the market, the last 2 weeks of August are always a bit slower, and then it picks up after Labor Day. So you need to keep that in mind, okay, in your trading. As for the Dow, next stop as well would be around this area. You're looking at about 9100, 9125, which could be a possible support. QQQ. We're right now at the support, so we'll see if it goes down from here or if it bounce back and consolidate. But it doesn't. You know what? I would take the chance that it will keep going down for a while. Now let's look at a few stocks that still look positive and they can still perform even if the market doesn't go in the same direction. It's not the best, but sometimes it happens. Nene is one stock yesterday that basically seemed like it wanted to push higher by the way the chart is set up right now. Had a bigger day than the day before with some good volume in it. So we'll see if there's more coming into it. AWSL, which we spoke about, finished 124 yesterday, up 16 cents, and the volumes, keeps basically stays consistent and stays high, so that's a good sign. BIEL, this one is pretty surprising. After this run, it stays in the I or the top range of the chart, which is very good. So we need to keep watching it and closely, be ready to add more if this one decide to go. Okay, on BIEL, just go back here. SRSR. This was a quick, good run for us, but that's about it. Gapping up a little bit, and then after that, running and coming back down during the day. That's an exit point for us. NXPN, it's not doing anything, and the move I was talking about just didn't happen. We should have seen this going back up like this around from that Friday's bar. Monday should have been good, and Tuesday as well. But now instead we're looking at selling, so that's not positive. Definitely not. Zhang came back to where just close to close this gap. Now we'll see if it will move back up from there, or it will just go back down and go through this what would be a support area. That's very, very important. I don't want to see this going through that, like butter, because that would not be a good sign, definitely. So at this point, I'm very, very cautious. If you're in it or if you want to get in it, you need to see some type of reversal action on a 60-minute chart, and you can act on it. NVSR didn't stay in its upper range like we discussed yesterday, just went down. And from here, it could go down back to this level. So you need to be careful on that one as well. BEHL, and we'll finish with that, is staying in this range, which is good, it bounced back, but it doesn't really want to move, so not much seller. So that's a good thing. So I just wanted to show you a few of these stocks. And keep in mind, we're in a slow season, so we'll get a few more good picks, but we'll keep you posted as we get them. So on this, I wish you a great day, and we'll see.